Hey, afternoon, Daddy.
Oh, Stephen, reach back home already, man?
Yeah, man, reach back long time. I'm inside to talk to mommy, you know? Yeah, man, but Daddy must want to tell you Happy Father's Day, man.
Oh, thank you, my son. Thank you, my son. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man, that's why you know some I love you and I appreciate it, you know?
Yes, man. Thank you, my son.
Yeah, man, Happy Father's Day. I hope you have a wonderful day today, alright?
But hold on 1 second. That is it?
No, man, Daddy, but...
Dry and so Happy Father's Day, son. A little gift, a little nothing. You know, some is a man that really talk much. But I feel like at time now, I share my mind, you know.
No, Daddy, hold on, Daddy,
Daddy,
hold on.
sister, you know. When you treat me much different now, no mother, you know, Stephen. I mean, I like it, you know, Stephen. Me notice, you know, over there, your sister send money for your mother when her mother's there. When you put on big bashment and something for her. And I say, all right, me nah go say nothing. I go wait till Father's Day forward round to see how you treat me. And Stephen, you come now, come give me dry Happy Father's Day and you want to something in your hand, Stephen, for your father.
Yeah, man, Daddy,
Money if you realize it's not no mother alone bringing into this world, you know. I only proceed after late when you come into this world, you know, Stephen.
That's the same with
Stephen,
1
if
second.
you understand, say, your sister. A Baba Roots, you know. A herb specialist, me have to go to, you know. As that a Sperling and them thing, me I drink for your sister coming into this world, you know, Stephen. And you come and disrespect me, so Stephen. Matter of fact, you never want to come into this world, so me have to adapt you.
Hold on there. Hold on there. What do you mean by adopted?
That's why I only power put in for the coming into this world, you know, Stephen. That's all me I try to say, you know. And I come disrespect me about Happy Father's Day,
Daddy, hold on there, Daddy. Hold on there.
26 years you living in my house, Stephen. Yes, you pay a couple bill and them thing, but me don't deal with the bad, Stephen. You come to me Happy Father's Day, just dry so. I feel like a full time now you come out of my house, you know, Stephen. A time now you come out of my house and find somewhere else to live, Stephen. You can't listen.
No, man, Daddy, we really are going. Daddy, hold on 1 second, Daddy. Hold on there. I have something for you, you know.
Hold on, what kind of liquor box that? What is Mr. Disrespect this year? Disrespect me, Stephen. How are this? Earpods? Stephen, we don't even have an iPhone. You don't even say, I can buy me an iPhone, Stephen. You give me earpods. What am I going to do with
Daddy,
this?
just looking at the box now, Daddy, man.
You pick me on a disrespect, you know. When you pick me on a...
But hold on there, Daddy. Hold on. Let me get something straight. We are talking about adopted.
Adapt what? Adopted? Stephen, you know better, Stephen, man. You don't know say I prank me there, prank you, Stephen. We are talking about adopted. Come on, Stephen, do better than that, Stephen.